Alrighty guys, so today we are back on the Honda Navi, and today we're just gonna go for a little cruise, just chill, you know. And one thing I'm very happy to tell y'all about, I got my motorcycle license. I am finally legal. So I passed the DMV test. I'm waiting for my new license plate to come into the mail now, so I think it'll actually be coming in today, but I am actually very excited to have that come in. But we are legal, boys. First legal video. Feels pretty good to know I'm not gonna get pulled over for the first thing I do. Feels pretty good. Gives me a little bit more confidence, you know, coming out here, just because I don't have to worry about cops anymore. I got my blinker on, dude. I actually passed the test on this bike, on the Honda Navi, just because the simple fact of it being an automatic makes it a lot easier to ride for the test. So I'd recommend getting a Honda Navi or something automatic just to make it easier so you don't have to deal with the clutch. It really made it a lot easier for me to pass. Don't get me wrong, I know how to ride a normal motorcycle, but it just makes it a lot easier. You know, you don't even have to worry about the clutch at all. And see, look, I can pass these cops with no worries, and you know, it feels great not being stressed out every single time I see a cop. You know, my last video, I was freaking out I was gonna get pulled over because I had just gotten a warning for riding illegally. But now, I no longer have to worry about that. Thank God. But yeah, it's a good feeling though. And we're actually the reason I am riding my Honda Navi today is because we're actually gonna sell it soon. We're probably gonna put a little bit more miles on it, and then we're gonna end up selling it because we just don't need it, you know? It's kind of slow. It's 45 on this bike, it's kind of tough on it, so we want a bike that can easily, you know, go on the interstate now. So I'm still looking at a Ninja 500. You know, a lot of y'all are saying CBR, a lot of y'all are saying Ninja. Some of y'all are even saying get a 1000, and absolutely not. I'm probably gonna get a 500 for my next bike. My dad said his next bike will probably be a Rebel 300. I don't want a Rebel, I want a Ninja. I want a sports bike. That'd be pretty cool. I hope he does end up getting one, because that means I can ride it. But yeah, now that I got my license, I'm able to go a much farther now. I'm definitely a lot more comfortable than I was in traffic when I first started this YouTube channel, and I'm doing way better now. I'm way more confident, you know. Like, look at this, whoop, little pothole, swerve right around it, little dip, no big deal. See, it's even better on the XR150. XR150's got some great suspension, man. This little Navi suspension's good, but it's a little stiff. It's not the greatest. It's a little bumpy. See, watch. It's a little bumpy, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna be kind of sad to see it go. Actually, that's gonna be kind of disappointing when we get rid of it. We got a full tank of gas, which is great. We're riding, I'll ride a little far today. It's been a while since I've recorded a video. I just haven't had the motivation to, you know. There's not really, you know, like much to record. Well, yeah, actually, I got on the interstate for the first time the other day on the XR150. I had no choice because there was trains around me. That was pretty terrifying. I was very, very scared having to go on the interstate because that thing can barely do 50. I mean, that thing can barely do 60. A Nismo Frontier. Wow. That is the ugliest truck ever. Frontiers are hands down the ugliest truck. I didn't even know they made a Nismo version of it. Like, what? Nismo Off-Road. He's so cool. Gosh, it's getting a little hot in here. Oh yeah, we're keeping up with traffic right now, baby. Oh yeah, I'm pretty much full throttle right now. Yeah, see, this bike starts struggling at about 45, so I'm gonna try not to push it that hard. I don't like pushing my bike. It's very hard on the engine. I'd say after 40, I'd say 40 is the fastest you can go comfortably on this Honda Navi. I can't even see around myself in the rearview mirror. I literally just see my shoulder in the rearview mirror. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's retarded. Little baby ass mirrors, man. XR's kind of got the same problem, but it's not as bad. But yeah, she's only got 256 miles on her, so it's basically a brand new bike. 2023 Honda Navi. I think we paid almost $2 grand for it. It had like 40 miles when we got it, which was like insane. Dang, that Camaro's making a lot of noises. Oh man, this guy's going real slow over the railroad track. It's not that bad, dude. This is where we saw that Chrysler catch air in my last video. That shit was insane. He caught like probably 6 inches of air. Oh my god. What was that monstrosity? I've got nothing else better to do on a Monday at like 2 p.m. So this is what I do. Average unemployed friend. I just pretty much go on random side quests like all the time. It's kind of fun, you know. I don't have to wake up at a certain time. I don't have to be somewhere all day. Pretty awesome just doing what I want. Worst part about it is you get no money. Yeah, I make no money right now, which kind of sucks. This is my old school. Last time I came here, there was somebody in the parking lot. The school is shut down now, as you can tell by all the glass at where they busted out the doors and boarded all the windows and everything. But this is where I went from kindergarten to 5th grade, and now it's all graffitied too. But yeah, we used to have a gym class out here in the back. I could go to the playground, but I really don't want to get in trouble. And I'm gonna stand up for a little bit, give myself a little bit of a break, man. Hands are and everything are just tired. Hands, butt, duh. Yeah, let's get on out of here. I don't want to get in any trouble. This is private property. I can get in a lot of trouble just for being in this parking lot. You gotta be a real douchebag though to spray paint shit like this. School meant a lot to me. You know, one of these windows actually has my name on it, my last name, because my grandfather ended up putting one of the windows in. It was one of these windows right here, I believe. Let's get on out of here. Ow, that bump hurted. Oh, I'm speeding. But who cares, you know, I got my license, so I can do whatever I want now. No, I'm still staying out of trouble. Tickets are not fun. I've had to go to court for tickets before. Luckily, they all got dropped, because I was in a very bad car accident, actually. I totaled my Mustang. I will show y'all a picture of it. Yeah, I tore that car up. I tore the Nissan up when I hit it, and it was ended up being totaled and everything. That was a crazy day of my life. I fixed it though, luckily with insurance money. Oh, this car is gonna want to get in front of me because that mailman's there. Great. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. The bus is stopping. Like, why did that bus even stop? I'm full speed right now. This bus is speeding. I'm full throttle right now on this bus. I don't know what he's doing. He was acting like he was gonna stop and then didn't stop. Oh yeah, baby, we're doing almost 50 right now. Yeah, you can really feel this bike struggling now. I don't know what that bus was doing. I started to slow down because you know, he turned his flashing lights on and I thought he was gonna put a stop sign out, but nope, never stopped. Shouldn't ride like in the oil spills and stuff. But I like this lane. I like up against the curb because I'm far away from cars, out of that oil spill, you know. But yeah, guys, let me know what kind of stuff I should record. You know, there just ain't really much to record, so I don't really have too many people to hang out with. One of my buddies is working on getting his bike going now, so that'll be pretty fun. I've known him for a long time, my buddy Gabe, so he's gonna get his bike running so me and him can ride. And that'll be fun, you know. He's got a little 50cc Honda Ruckus, and that'll be fun to cruise around in with him. It's a pretty cool looking bike, actually. It's a stretched one, and I really like it. But it's not running at the moment. And yeah, then I'll have somebody to cruise with. So then maybe I could actually have some content with some other people and other motorcycles in it and stuff. And he's actually getting another scooter here soon, so I could actually record us riding around on, with his little scooter. That would be fun. I can't wait till he gets it because me and him are going to be riding all the time. My dad put the idle up on this a little bit, and it's like it wants to move on its own, just a hair. But it's okay. She just wants to go. She just wants to go. She's ready to go. V6. V6. Ew. Ew. I drive a V6 Mustang, so sounds better than that though, that's for sure. That thing sounded like some doogie balls. Nothing crazy in today's video this time either. None of my videos are really, you know, that exciting. It's just me kind of cruising, just vibing, just chilling, doing a little moto vlog, you know, enjoying myself, showing my progress as I move up on these motorcycles. I think it's pretty fun. I came a long way since I've started this YouTube stuff. Don't really know what else to do, you know. Like I said, I don't really know what to record. That's why I just haven't been recording as much lately. There's just nothing to record besides just this, you know, just me cruising. And you know, I know this isn't nothing crazy, but it's kind of boring after a while. I just kind of don't have a destination. Alrighty, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.